This week we're on the road for a garden tour with Rebel Canners. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. So I am on my summer tour away from home, and I have a few things I'd like to share with you. I'm sharing my nephew's garden, and he has a real clever structure in his garden I think many of you would really like for your garden. So let me turn this camera around and give you a tour. So I really just wanted to show you this clever idea that I saw that actually my nephew made. So in the first row they have their pepper plants, luscious tomato plants, and then here in the back row they have, looks like some squash. He's planning on doing a second one and having an arbor between the two of them, and he's already got buckets with some dirt and plants ready for that. They also have a really nice garden going. Come on, I'll take you on a little tour of that. They planted this about a month ago. They've got their peppers, they've got their tomatoes, they've got their carrots. I don't know what's in here. They've got beans, more beans, more beans, more beans, even more beans, and then some squash over there, and then potatoes, I believe, on the end. So yeah, nice little tour, but I really wanted to show you the bucket stand, I guess, as we're calling it, because I really think that this is a neat idea for someone who is, short on space. You can get the buckets really cheaply, if not for free in some places. But let me show you, see if I can give you kind of the way he built it. So all the buckets sit on risers. So that one's there, so it's above the ground. Those are on a riser. Those are on a riser. And they all fit in there so they can't get knocked down by critters. Move that. I don't know if you can see it better this way, but there's the back of it, and they all come into the back all the way across. Supported down. Did a really good job reinforcing it. And there's that one on the end that's almost to the ground, but not quite. So they all get a lot of sun and 5 gallons of dirt. It's just a real clever setup, and I just thought you would enjoy me sharing it with you. Okay, Rebel Canners, well, I hope you liked that tour, and stay tuned. I think I might do a few more gardens on the road tour. I'll see you later. Have a great summer. If you need more jars or lids, go to the Superb website. The link is below. Use the code RebelCanners10 to save 10%. Can all you can. If you like my content, be sure to subscribe and make sure that you've rang the bell so that you don't miss another episode.